With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so we are given with a question which says in the arrangement shows in figure, if the surface is been given as a smooth, we need to find out the acceleration of the block M2. So here we have been given with a block M2 and it is attached with a movable pulley. So let's suppose that M2 is moving downward and let's suppose it covers a distance of y, we can say. So we can say the pulley will also move in the downward direction, and if pulley moves in the downward direction, so we can see the situation over here. So this situation will look something like this. So if pulley moves, this pulley moves downward with y, so string from this end will also move y and string from this end will also move y. And to compensate for this, let's assume that due to this motion, this block M1 will cover a distance of x. Alright, so we can see the string will be given from this end, and let's suppose we can say string will be x, given x in this direction. Alright, so we can say to maintain the string tight, we can write this 2y will be compensated by this string that has been given by distance x. Alright, or from block M1. So if from this relation we can get the relation of acceleration. Let's suppose M2 is accelerating with A1 and M1 is accelerating with A2. So we can say this can be written as, if we differentiate it twice, so we can write 2A1 will be equals to A2. So this is the important relation which we have derived from here. So let's say this is our equation number 1. Now what we can do over here is we can just make the FBDs of the figure. So let's take first for mass M2. So if we make FBD for M2, we can write its weight will be acting in the downward direction, that is M2G, and we have supposed that its acceleration is A1, and above let's suppose its tension is T2, or let's suppose it has to be T1. Alright, so from here we can write the equation M2G minus of T1, and that is equals to M2 A1. Alright, let's say this is our equation number 1. Alright, and if we make FBD of the block M1, so we can say this is block M1, here it is acting tension T. As we can see, the string is different now, so tension will be now T2, and let's say the acceleration is A2, which we have assumed already. Therefore from here we can say T2 will be equals to M1 A2. Alright, and we have already developed the relation of A2 as twice A1. So from here we can write T2 can be written as 2 M1 A1, and we can give the reason as from 1. Alright, now let's make FBD of the pulley. So we can say this is the pulley, movable pulley. So here it's tension T2, here it will be having a tension T2, and here it is tension T1. So from here we can say T1 is nothing but it is 2T2. Let's say this is our equation number, we can say it as 2. Alright, so from here if we substitute this value in equation 1, so we can get M2G minus of, instead of T1 we can write it as 2T2, and here it can be written as so this can be written as M2 A1. So this just we have substituted the value of T1 as 2T2 in equation 1. So from here we can say, and instead of T2 we can write 2 M1 A1, and that is equals to M2 A1. So here we can give the reason, since T2 we have calculated it as 2 M1 A1. Alright, from here we can write, therefore from here the value of A1 which we are interested in finding can be written as M2G divided by, we can write it as 4 M1 plus M2. So this is what the acceleration of block M2 we are getting. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.